everyone. Today this is meal cooking. What I'm teaching you to do is the waffle. It's an easy way to make a waffle. Okay, I show you the ingredients. That's what I use. And what they're going to do is very easy. Is 1 cup of mix here. That's what I get it from the box, from the package. And then 1 cup of water. And what you're going to do is you put it into the container, okay? And then put the water on it. Okay, put the water. Okay, I was asked you to do it is don't put everything in there with all the water in it. Okay, maybe put half of it and then mix it like this. Mix it like this. Ooh, see, it is so easy. It is so easy. And then we put another one on it. And then we're going to mix it until it's really, let me see, okay, until it's smooth. Okay, just take a little bit of time. Take your time. You can sing a song, then it's already ready. Okay. First of all, we preheat the waffle machine. We open it. And what we're going to do is, if you have those sprays oil, then you can ask your parents to help you out, or ask the adults. Otherwise, you can, like me, okay, use a paper towel, put some oil on it, and you can just like wipe it like this. Then you know, like when it come out, it will stick on it. Has to be oilish. And then what we're going to do is now, after I mix it, see, this is perfect, very perfect. I really like this mixture. And right now we're going to cook our waffle now. What we're going to do is we preheat it already. Be careful, okay? Don't touch it. This is hot, okay? Kid, please ask your parents to help you out when you need to touch those and turn on the machine. And what we're going to do is, okay, we just put okay, like make sure you don't put too much in it, because otherwise it will spit everywhere. And for the first one, what we're going to do is, I will ask you to put a little bit, okay, a little bit on it for testing. What you're going to do is, I would say, just make a smaller one. Just make a smaller one like this, and then cover it. And then cover it. And what you do is, you need to lock it like this, and then turn on it a little bit higher. I would say turn it to the 7. Turn it to the 7. And then we can wait a little bit. You can see the red light. The red light, it means that like it is hot and it is cooking. Let's see. What we'll do is we're going to put the mixture on it, okay? The waffle mixture. We do 1 scoop. That is so nice. 2. I would say 3 is good enough. Don't put it too much, otherwise it will spill it everywhere. Just put it like this. Just move a little bit. Move a little bit. And what we're going to do is we cover it, and then you just turn it like this, and then you can wait for a couple minutes. And halfway, what you're going to do is you have to turn it like this. You have to turn it like this. You have to turn it like this. Then you know, make sure both sides are cooked inside. Okay, the both sides. We put the full pan of it, and then we cover it. What we're going to do is we have to turn it. Wait. Well, it depends on your machine. My machine's a little bit old. It's take about 5 minutes. If your machine is, you know, like the high efficiency, maybe you just take like 3 minutes. Okay, and then we will see after that. Bye. Look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. Okay, and then when you take it out, please ask your parents to help you out. Please ask the others to help you out because it is really hot. It is really hot. What I'm going to do is just put it like this. So see, it will come out by itself. And I will put it. I will put it into my plate. Ooh. Wow! Look at it. Then well, right now you can eat it. And you can put the maple syrup. You can put the ice cream. Today, I want to decorate it. Okay, you want to decorate it before you want to give it to your parents, right? And put some strawberry. Strawberry is so good. Strawberry is so good. I have a strawberry here. Here. I have a strawberry here. And today I have something special. And I want to put the ice cream on it. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Let me put the ice cream on. Look at it. It's so pretty. Now you can enjoy it with your parents. Have a good day.